The JSON get function retrieves the value of a specific field from a JSON document. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. Reference is the field of the value to be retrieved. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am retrieving the value from the port field in a JSON document and export it to a text file. The JSON document is stored in a string variable named sjsondoc. I use the JSON get function to retrieve the value of the field named port and store it in a string variable sjsonval. Finally, the variable sjsonval is exported to a file named port.txt. Let's run the process and then view the txt file. After executing the process, the txt file will look like this.